Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we'll walk through how to factory reset your Walton Smart TV. Before we begin, make sure your Walton Smart TV is powered on. Place your hands on the Walton Smart TV remote and press the home button. On the Walton Smart TV screen, navigate to the settings icon. Use your hands to scroll down the Walton Smart TV menu. Select the system option on your Walton Smart TV. Now scroll until you find the Reset and Admin option on your Walton Smart TV. With your hands on the remote, highlight Reset on the Walton Smart TV screen. Press OK to start the Walton Smart TV reset process. Your Walton Smart TV may ask for a PIN. Enter the default PIN 0000 on your Walton Smart TV if you haven't changed it. Confirm reset when your Walton Smart TV asks for final approval. Keep your hands steady as the Walton Smart TV begins the reset. Do not unplug the Walton Smart TV during this process. You will see the Walton Smart TV restart automatically. After rebooting, your Walton Smart TV will show the setup screen. Use your hands to select the preferred language on the Walton Smart TV. Connect the Walton Smart TV to Wi-Fi if needed. If the Walton Smart TV remote isn't responding, check the batteries. Replace the batteries and retry the Walton Smart TV reset steps. If your Walton Smart TV is frozen, press and hold the power button on the remote. Keep holding until the Walton Smart TV restarts. Once back on, retry accessing settings on the Walton Smart TV. If your Walton Smart TV still lags, unplug it from the wall. Keep your hands unplugging the Walton Smart TV for 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button under the Walton Smart TV for 10 seconds. Plug the Walton Smart TV back in firmly. Power on the Walton Smart TV again. Return to settings to start the Walton Smart TV factory reset. If your Walton Smart TV has no remote, press the physical buttons under the TV. Hold the power and volume down buttons on the Walton Smart TV. Wait for the Walton Smart TV logo to appear. Release the buttons when the Walton Smart TV enters recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate the Walton Smart TV recovery menu. Highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset on the Walton Smart TV. Press power to confirm the Walton Smart TV reset. The Walton Smart TV will begin wiping data. Wait patiently as the Walton Smart TV completes the process. Once done, select Reboot System Now on your Walton Smart TV. Your Walton Smart TV will restart with fresh settings. Complete the initial Walton Smart TV setup again. Choose your region and language on the Walton Smart TV. Connect to your Wi-Fi network on the Walton Smart TV. Sign into apps again on your Walton Smart TV if needed. If apps still crash, update the Walton Smart TV firmware. Go to settings and check for updates on the Walton Smart TV. Install any new updates available for your Walton Smart TV. Restart your Walton Smart TV after updates complete. Your Walton Smart TV should now run smoothly after the full reset. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Your Walton Smart TV is now fully reset and ready to use.